Meet Casey Klaus. I can truly say I'm the luckiest woman alive. I'm so thankful for my hardworking, dedicated husband. He's truly a self-made man. Raised as an only child, primarily by a single mom, he never knew his real father. He was abandoned by an adoptive father and abused by a stepfather. He was homeless for a time in his young adult years and bounced around amongst friends' couches. He's a genuine badass because he never gave up. From the Marine Corps to the fire department, and now as a real estate investor and broker, he has had to do everything the hard way, and it's made him the man he is today. I couldn't ask for anything more. He's also a loving and amazing father to our girls. I'm so proud we're on this journey together. I'm proud of our team.